Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON Tunland. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got these three buttons. We are going to use them to navigate through instrument cluster. Firstly, press button on the left side to select menu. Now, to navigate through current menu, twist this knob. If you press this button, you will go to main menu where you can manage media, route, energy flow, theme and display, settings and query, maintenance and information. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.